Hey everyone, are you ready to talk about some post workout munchies? So, there are different types of workouts, so let's get into the different kinds. There is intensity activities. Low intensity workouts, they have a few characteristics. Number one, you can breathe normally, you won't have any sweat or a very light sweat, and you can have a full conversation and sing a song without breathing hard or getting out of breath. Your heart rate won't increase too much or won't increase at all. So, some examples of low intensity activities are walking slow, a leisurely stroll down the street, sitting down at a desk working on your computer, cooking, doing the dishes, and playing an instrument. All right, moderate intensity workouts. This type of activity is an activity that'll make you sweat a little bit, but not too much. And you can breathe um, a little faster during these workouts. You can also still talk while you're exercising, but you can't sing a song. And you use about 50 to 70% of your maximum heart rate. These are activities like taking a brisk walk, heavy cleaning around the house, doing a leisurely bike ride. And lastly, there are strenuous intensity workouts. These workouts can present as having a fast and deep breath. You can sweat after only a few minutes of exercise, and you can't talk without breathing hard. And you use about 70 to 85% of your maximum heart rate. These are activities like jogging, weightlifting, fast cycling slash sports cycling, and playing basketball, football, soccer, etc. All right, so workout intensity and protein. For a low intensity and moderate intensity workout, you should have around zero point 0.8 grams per kilogram body weight of protein, which is the amount for an average person, up to 1.0 grams per kilogram protein for body weight for a moderate workout. This can be a workout like Zumba. So for an intense workout, you're going to want a little bit more protein, especially if you want to gain muscle. You're going to want to have about 1.2 to 1.7 grams per kilogram body weight of protein in order to reap the benefits and gain muscle mass. And this especially goes for weight training individuals. There are many sources of proteins out there. There are beans, legumes, eggs, peanut butter, soy milk, tofu, quinoa, chicken, beef, anything you can think of basically with dairy in it has protein. Any meats have protein. And of course, there are plant based proteins. So, workout intensity and carbs. Only high intensity and endurance workouts require an increased need for carbohydrates. So athletes should consume around 6 to 10 grams protein per kilogram body weight a day, and the number will differ if you're a male or a female, as well as what type of sport you do or workout you're doing, the weather, whether it's hot outside, cold, and your personal metabolism rate. We all know there are many sources of carbs out there, so I chose a few of the healthier carbs. You can have rice, potatoes, pasta, oatmeal, bread, cereal, broccoli, and many other sources of carbs. So let's put your knowledge to test. I want to see y'all make a meal out of the sources of proteins and carbohydrates on the previous slides, um, to curb your post workout munchies. So, if you look on the sides with the protein and the carbs, use these items to make a meal. And you can tell me your answers in a reply or a comment. And thanks for coming to Post Workout Munchies, and I appreciate you listening.